Also, you can convert that for normal G code. If you have other people that want to see the G code, you can modify that in the G code, or you can bring it back and modify here. That's one feature that was not possible before in other system. Once you transform in G code, you never go back. This system, you go back. You go both ways.
Today I'm going to start with a tongue twister and I'm going to cheat about it because it's written on this wall and there's a lot of information because this is the first time anyone in the world has ever seen this type of technology. I got Jundi again, the world famous smile as well. Designed for multitasking machines by multitasking machine manufacturer for multitasking machine users. It really is a tongue twister, but there's a lot to this. You guys have invented something based on necessity of not having enough skilled workers to work on multitasking machines because a lot of us feel like we need to catch up and we're a little nervous about it. You guys have solved the problem. Jundi, that's incredible. I have a couple other pieces of paper I want to go over. But first, explain to the audience the whole intention behind creating this multitasking software by a multitasking... All right, it's a tongue twister. I'm not doing it again. Jundi, please explain to the audience.
Okay, so basically, I think we are facing the problem of skill operator. I think a lot of things is becoming very easy to use, like your cell phone. So we need some system for programming that can do that for you. Not only that, we have a lot of tricks for the old guys, let's say the experienced guy, that also is in the software. So a lot of things to not to make a cut without make a burr, for example, is already included in the software itself. So there's a lot of knowledge of the experienced people that also is inside the software, other than be easy.
Yeah, and we have a little bit of this. And just for an example, I myself programmed line by line machining, 2-axis, 3-axis, some of the simpler machines. And even then, from time to time, Jundi, I'm gonna be honest, I smacked it from time to time. We're talking about impossible, and then 28 minutes and 14 minutes for the beginner. And then we get into the second year and we're looking at 30 minutes, 14 and 10. The shorter times are this software that you're getting ready to go over to show just how simple you've made it for us beginners out there trying to do multitasking, which we have to do to compete globally.
Yes. No, I think it is correct. So the first point is, inside the software itself, we have all the tutorial. So we have a lot of video that explain many different functions, also what it is and how to use it. So that make basically a guide for you, and you can see in the video. The second thing is everything inside the software is made with also guidance. The guidance will be here on your left up. So basically inside here, every thing that you need to insert in the program, there will be a guidance in the left up corner. Other than that is each line that you create, the machine automatically will show the path on the screen. So the path that you're seeing here is not a 3D that you load. This is the program that you are making, how the part will look like, including the path itself. Other point very important is each operation, we have the cycle time in the right up corner. So having the cycle time means we have a process table. Inside this process table, you can call the turret number, or you can see the cycle time. So why we need that? We need that because if you want to balance the cycle time, you can actually drag and drop the operation. By drag and drop the operation, the machine automatically will change also all the M codes and G codes automatically for you. When you program, you don't see any M code or G code. All the M code and G code is inside the machine, but it's hidden. If someone more experienced wants to see the M code or G code, you still can see the codes inside, but you don't need to. You don't need to know. So that's what the reason why it's hidden. So this is what makes this software, I think, so user-friendly.
Can I ask you Maybe a stupid question, but the audience knows me to make mistakes all the time anyway, so I don't care. Can I make a mistake with this software? Can I crash something? Have you made this so dummy proof that I can't go forward in my program without doing it correctly because of all the different highlights? Is
Not,
this almost dummy proof?
it's dummy proof because you can see the path that your tool is going to take. Also, you can convert that for normal G code. If you have other people that want to see the G code, you can modify that in the G code, or you can bring it back and modify here. That's one feature that was not possible before in other system. Once you transform in G code, you never go back. This system, you go back. You go both ways.
You made a joke that I want to tell further, but I'm not going to do it, Jundi.
Okay. Not on camera.
Not on camera, not this time.
Uh,
Let's challenge the audience out there. Take a look at this software. Play with it. See if it works. See if it's as easy as Jundi has made it sound. See if it's as user-friendly. I believe it is. I've played with it as well, and this is how we can reduce that skills gap and bring everyone together to do multitasking instead of being afraid. We're removing the fear. Everything you guys have done from all the machines that we've toured, this is kind of how we take that step forward with confidence.
Yes.
To take people who maybe need years more to get into multitasking and bring them to the level immediately.
Oh, definitely. I think this can help a lot of people. And I think also we want more people to be in the industry. So if you can do everything in a much easier way, see right away, and have fun doing it, I think can change also this industry.
Multitasking by multitasking for multitasking, lots of multitasking. There's the tongue twister again. We're done. We're out of here. Thank you all for watching, Jundi.
Thank you very much.
Thank you again for your time. And thank you for creating this. This is incredible. Thank you.